let's go check out the top deals at Costco this week that you need to be checking out. All right, Costco has a lot of good things in on sale right now. Some are great for the season, some are great just for all year round. They have this great serving tray with the top here, where you can see from the pictures displayed, it has several little tray compartments so that you can make like a kind of like nice charcuterie board or something for outside, maybe with that. The ice molds, $10. You're gonna get 4 in the pack. Something about these ice molds I love. I first saw these like big ice molds one year at a holiday party, and I just thought it elevated the look of the drink. It just made it look cool. Something nice for the season. A pack of neck fans, you get 2 in there, and they are on sale. They are $8 off, so $27 for those. Some Listerine, they have that on sale again, $4.50. They have that on sale. They have this shampoo conditioner right here on sale, $10 off for this pack right here. You can grab it at Costco this week, and again, it is on sale, $10 off. So a lot of good like beauty products, healthcare, different things like that. They have this set right here, another $10 off of that one, and that is a good size too for that one right there. They have some shaving items, so they have the shaving cream, and that one is $4 off at Costco. And then they have the razors with the refillable heads. You can grab that this week at Costco. The IV, the liquid IV, is on sale, $8 off for this right here. So it brings it down to $21, which I think is a great deal. You're going to get 8 in the pack, and they have a variety of different flavors, not just that one. They have a few different ones throughout the store, and again, $8 off for that right now. So bring it down to $21, which I think is a good price for the liquid IV. And like I said, right now it is hot. Summertime is hot. So grab some something to keep you hydrated for the season, whether it be just packs of water, liquid IV, whatever it is. Just grab something to keep hydrated. It has been hot outside. Toothbrushes on sale, $40 off for those. They had a few different options to pick too, and they all were on sale at Costco when I did go. The Ninja Flip on sale right now. So if you are looking for maybe a toaster oven or something like that, you might want to give that a try. And then the blender, the Ninja blender, also on sale, and you'll see it'll come with that portable cup. And if you are looking for luggage is on sale too at Costco this week. This set I liked. I like too, just something about the little details in it. If you can see, the wheels have the matching color of the suitcase, and it's a 2-piece set that you get there. The glide is really nice and smooth on that one right there. It has the 360 turn, real nice and easy for getting through the airport this season. It came in 2 colors at my Costco, but they had this, so they had another set too that you can grab at Costco this week that I did see. Bed sheets, they have some of those. They have some quilts. They have a few different things in that you can grab right now at Costco. So if you are looking to change up your bed sheets or stock up for the season, you might want to grab some of these. They have the hotel ones, $10 off right now, and they have various sizes in those. Those are the Egyptian cotton ones, and they have a lot of nice neutral colors for those at Costco. And like I said, $10 off on those. Like I said, the luggage sets, they have a few different ones. They have these pillows with the memory foam in them, and those are going to be on sale too at Costco, bringing them down to about $23 for those. And they had a few more sheet sets on sale. So whatever your style is right now, I feel like Costco has a lot of good deals on bed sheets right now that you can get. They have these quilt sets in at Costco. Another one that is a nice neutral color, $10 off on those. And they have different sizes, so you can get the king, you can get the queen, and it'll be between $50 and $40 based on what size you do get in that. And those have different like style prints, colors to them. They have this set on sale too. So like I said, a lot of good options for bedding right now at Costco, and generally maybe about $8 off on the sets you are getting for those. They have this little lounger available at Costco, and this one is $15 off. So it is basically like a little floor mat, especially if you're having like company over, guests, the kids are home for the summer. you want to get cozy and comfy, this might be something great to grab. And that came in a few different colors. They have this mattress on sale right now at Costco, $120 off. They always have a lot of mattress options at Costco. This one is $100 off. And then they have all of the normal mattresses that they usually do have at Costco. Getting ready for outside holiday parties, they have this right here, $9.50, and you get quite a good amount of cups, paper towels. These are all basic household necessities that we do need on a regular basis. Always great to get them at an extra discount. So they have paper towels, they have some air fresheners. Again, it's hot, it's muggy inside. You might want to get some air fresheners, some disinfectants. You can get like some disinfectant wipes. They have the tissues on sale, and you'll get 12 in that box. A ton of different paper plate options right now at Costco, and different plate sizes too that you can grab for outdoor parties, for different things, or maybe when the kids are home for the summer, you don't like to use too many plates. Those are always great for the season. They have these beef sticks on sale, $4 off of those at Costco. They had a $4 coupon on lamb chops at Costco. So if you do get your meat and stuff like that, always check for the coupons, different things. These are back on sale at Costco. So the chocolate French crepes, these go on sale frequently, but they are on sale this week. $3 off for those at Costco. If you want to get some storage going, and you can break these shelves down, you don't have to use it as the full shelf, but $80 for that. But you can break it down and maybe have just 2 rows as opposed to the whole 4 rows. This fan on sale at Costco. They have a few different fan options too. These air fresheners, like I said, it gets hot outside, you want to smell good. So the car air fresheners, they have those on sale, $2 off of those at Costco. They have a few other options too for your car maintenance, different things like that you can grab this week and catch those at a discount. So if you are looking to do a little upkeep on your car maintenance and cleaning, you might want to grab those. They have this smoke and carbon detector, $65 at Costco. It's a dual pack, so you'll get both in the pack. This right here, so they have it so it comes with a little bucket. You put the water in, it mists. They have that at Costco right now to grab. These little organizational trays, so the clear I love because they fit in with a lot of different spaces and different things like that. $13 for those. Not bad. You can use those in your pantry, you can use those around your kitchen, you can use those under your sink, you can use those a few different places. This Tupperware, big enough to fit a full-size chicken in it. You can grab that at Costco. And also be great to have around the holiday time too, so when you're storing away those leftovers and stuff like that, those will be great. These cups right here, you're going to get a double pack, and you can see the colors are nice and bright. Or if you want something more neutral, they have those, and those are going to be on sale at Costco, along with $50 off of the cookware set there too. They had these storage containers, and I love these because you have the little container up top where you can put like your dressings, different things like that. And a lot of times you don't want the things to mix, or you want to just pack smaller items and like maybe a big salad or something like that, and you want to keep your proteins or something like that separate. Those are great. This right here, $30 off, and then the bags are on sale too, so you can get the whole setup and get started with that. And they're both on sale this week at Costco. So a lot of good items are on sale right now at Costco. Fans, you can grab some fans at Costco. Some are on sale, some are not on sale. This one right here, the air purifier, is on sale right now at Costco. You can grab that. But then they do, like I said, they have some other options that are on sale, not on sale. These are both sizes of the luggage. So you saw the smaller one, so those are both sizes of the luggage that you can grab this week. This is not on sale, just an interesting find. But the trail mix is on sale at Costco, so you can get that. Like I said, if you're looking to eat healthier, get you some trail mix with all of the good things in it that you need. This is on sale right now. The soap is on sale right now. Like I said, a lot of good beauty products that you can stock up on for the season, so you can grab some Dove, put it away for the rest of the year. They have this thermometer on sale at Costco, Neosporin. So a lot of scrapes and bumps during the season. Deodorant, we don't need to say why. We need to stock up on deodorant. This is on sale right now at Costco. This another one, allergy season, on sale right now at Costco. They have a few different options too for allergy medication that you can take a look at this week at Costco. Some are going to be on sale. Not everything is on sale as far as allergy medicine, but they do have some good options on sale right now. They have some chips, some snacks, so you can stock up again for the season at Costco that you can grab and get a few dollars off this week. These are on sale. Cheez-Its are on sale. Just a lot of good options that you can grab. And like I said, stock up your pantry for the kids this summer so that they'll have all the snacks that they do need. A few cereal options are on sale right now at Costco. A lot of the General Mills options are on sale, so a lot of Cheerio options you can get on sale this week at Costco, and those will come in a double pack. They have a lot of good other cereal options too. If you are looking, you can grab some macaroni for this season, for the summer season. Again, on sale at Costco. Tuna on sale at Costco also this week. And these are a lot of good things that you can grab. And you can even mix the tuna, make a little tuna casserole, something like that. That'll be good. The Nutella spread is on sale, $4 some change off for that. Beans on sale this week at Costco, couple of dollars off for those. Steak seasoning, so if you're gonna be doing a lot of grilling and stuff like that, definitely grab some steak seasoning. These are on sale. Coffee pods are on sale right now at Costco, and they have a few different options in those too. So if you have a Keurig, maybe you want to stock up right now and get those on sale. They have a few frozen items that you can grab right now that are on sale for a few dollars. Easy things for the kids to toss in the air fryer and the toaster oven. Grab for the season. Little kids outfits, they have a few of them on sale. Costco always has some great kids clothes, whether it be packs of outfits or when you get a 3-piece or 4-piece, something like that. They had these little Roxy dresses. They had 2 different options at my Costco. I prefer the first one over the second one, but $4 off on that at Costco. And these are great too, toss and go for vacation if you are doing some vacations this season. They have these leggings on sale right now at Costco. You get a couple of dollars off on those too. They have a lot of good clothing option in right now for men, for women, for children. They have these shorts on sale for men at Costco. They also have some tops. This top feels like an interesting material. It might be good for the hot season. I'm not sure because I'm not a man, so I didn't grab that one. They have some Adidas shorts on sale right now, also in the men's section at Costco, that you can grab and get a discount on those. They had a few different color options for them. So if you are looking for some shorts, different things, definitely check out, because Costco to me always has good prices on a lot of the clothing, and they do carry a lot of good brands there too. They have these shirts, nice and lightweight. The sleeves not too long, not too short, to give you a little shoulder coverage, but keep you cool. The material is nice and light. They had some solid colors. They had some prints in those. They have these t-shirts right here, another nice one to grab, and those came in a few different colors. Then it just has like the little tiny logo on it, and you can grab those on sale. They had a few Levi options on sale this week at Costco, $6 off for those. They have some other Levi's too, but they were not on sale at that time when I did go to Costco. They have some cute t-shirt options that you can also grab for the season. They have some double packs too that you can pick up, and those are on sale right now. So they had 2 different options in the double packs when I did go, but a lot of good t-shirt options. They always have, like I said, good shirt options, good outfit options, a lot of nice capsule wardrobe type pieces that you can grab at Costco. Another nice shirt, the color, I'm loving green, so I like that green. $3 off on that. Another nice linen blend shirt, which is great for the season. Nice short sleeve, nice and airy feel, not too tight, nice just nice, something simple. They have some solid options in those too, and that again is on sale at Costco. Some Adidas slides, just something simple. These are only $12. I do feel like they're different. I have a pair of Adidas slides. The sole feels a little different in those than the pair that I do have, but $12 for those. They have beach towels for the kids. They have a lot of character prints. They have just regular prints, but those were all on sale when I did go to Costco. So if you are looking for some beach towels for the season, they also have their version of that bag that is going around on sale right now, $20 for it, which I think is great because those bags are great for the season, but I don't think you need to pay that much for them. So $20, that is a good price for that. And they had a lot of nice colors in it. You can toss your beach bags, your different things, your slides, all that in there, and off to the beach you go. You can get a wagon if you want, but that bag does carry a lot of stuff in it. They had some pajama sets, and this one I thought was great because it came with the robe. $15. $15. You get the top, the bottom, and the robe. Awesome to me. You can get just a regular set, which is the top and the bottom. They had some nice neutral prints, and that one is only going to be $10 for that one right there. But you can pay a little more and get yourself a robe, which I thought was cool. This one right here will come with the shorts, the pants, and the top. So that's a three-piece set, $13 for that. And again, something nice, light. The shirt is short sleeve, something great for the season so that you won't be too hot. Just a few more kid sets that they did have. They have swimwear, different things. Like I said, not everything is going to be on sale, but they do have some pieces that are on sale for the kids, the different sets and different things like that that you can grab for them this season. A lot of good things for vacations, different things. They have this cover up right here, comes the little cute character hood on it, and that is on sale this week at Costco. The 2-pack of Champion shorts for the kids, that is also on sale at Costco, along with a few other kid options that are on sale. And then along with, like I said, a lot of things that are not on sale but that are good finds for the kids this season. A lot of good ones to toss and go, a lot of good ones for vacation, a lot of good ones just for summer camp, a lot of good ones just for running around this summer season at Costco.